non-compliant taxpayers. They haven't been reporting their assets or accounts, their overseas assets and accounts, and they think they can still hide from the IRS. Alexi, you get a client like that walking into your door, and that's what they tell you. What's your response?
Well, thank you. It's a typical question from someone who hopes that we're still living in non-FATCA world. I think that given increased compliance and enforcement by the IRS, it's really a bad idea. There is also coordination between Department of Homeland Security and the Treasury Department. So if you were born in the U.S. and you are a U.S. citizen, for example, or if you hold a green card, even if you think it may have expired, there is a difference between immigration and tax purposes. Hiding now from the IRS and the U.S. government is really difficult, and I would definitely recommend becoming compliant. The IRS has several amnesty programs that can help you do it with as little pain as possible. And then you can also avoid potential criminal charges, which is even more significant in some cases. But I think in any country of the world, the hiding becomes pretty much impossible these days.
Susan?
David?
I totally agree with Alexi. Hiding is really not an option. And I mean, global transparency, that's the name of the game. That's where we're headed. And clients should absolutely look to become compliant and not hide. And even if they've been non-compliant for many years, there are programs that they can go into. There are different programs depending upon whether you've been living in the U.S., not living in the U.S., but absolutely should seek to remedy that ASAP.